it's Shannon. I am bringing you January's Simply Earth unboxing today. If you haven't heard of Simply Earth, it is a monthly subscription box that brings you essential oil recipes. This is my absolute favorite subscription that I get monthly. I am a total essential oil fanatic. I love to use them for my beauty products, my cleaning products, home remedies, lots of great things, and Simply Earth has made that so much easier and also really fun. So I wanted to unbox this for you and make a couple of fun recipes that come in this month's box. So let's get started. Okay, so let's open up this box and see what we have in here. The great thing about Simply Earth is that they send you recipe cards. So each month you get about 6 different recipes that will go along with the items that you'll find in your box. So this month, January's box, you get recipes for a wrinkle away roll-on, a mud mask, grounding and energizing blend for your diffuser, and then there are also recipes on the backs of these. So you get a fit roll-on, oatmeal milk bath recipe, and bye-bye eye bags roll-on. This one I definitely could use. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you what else came in this month's box, and then we're actually gonna make a couple of these, so stay tuned for that. So on top here is a bag of bentonite clay, which is for the mud mask recipe, which I will be doing this one. I have used bentonite clay masks for quite a while now, and they are my absolute favorite. If you haven't tried these masks, I highly recommend it. So they actually give you some of that clay in a bag, which is resealable, so that you can use it and make more than one mask, because this stuff actually goes quite a long way. Also, you're gonna find your essential oils. You get 4 essential oils in each box. And this month you will get a Curb Hunger oil blend, a geranium oil, bergamot, and then also an angelica root. And I'm actually gonna take all of these out of the boxes so that you can see what the bottles look like. Here is a look at the 4 essential oil bottles that you'll be receiving for January. These are really big bottles. They are 15 mLs, and if you know anything about essential oils, you know a little goes a very long way. So also in this box, you will be receiving a really big bottle, or a really good sized bottle of camellia seed oil, which is a carrier oil. And you're also going to be receiving the bottles that you need for your recipes. So there was 3 roll-on recipes, so they give you 3 roll-on bottles. And then they also give you an essential oil blend for your diffuser recipe, so you can create your own mix of the oils and put them in the bottle. That way you can use them over and over again. So we're gonna start with creating this bye-bye eye bags roll-on, and it gives you the ingredients, which were included in the box, and then the directions, and then when you're all done, all you do is roll the mixture onto your skin under your eyes to reduce eye bags. So it says that we need 6 drops of the geranium essential oil and 6 drops of the bergamot essential oil, and then you just fill the rest of it up with camellia seed oil. On real nice and smooth, and I can see how that would be great for your under eyes. Feels great on my hand. Okay, so now we are going to work on this mud mask, which I love doing mud masks. They are so great for your skin. It detoxes it and moisturizes it, and this one looks amazing. We're going to be using the bentonite clay. You're going to add some raw honey, a little bit of water, bergamot oil, and the angelica root essential oil. So let's get to creating this mud mask. is the finished mud mask. A little bit really does go a long way, and I do like to use the back of a metal spoon to put and apply the mud masks to my face. And then the directions, all it says is you can leave them on for 5 to 15 minutes until it's hardened, and then wash your face with a hot watered washcloth, and then you have refreshed and smoothed skin. So I want to take a second to thank Simply Earth for offering my viewers an exclusive offer, and that is for a free $40 gift card to their online store with your paid monthly subscription of their recipe box. So once you're registered, you will be emailed that free $40 gift card, which you can use on anything in their online store. So I wanted to show you a couple of the options, and one of those options is this really cool oil diffuser. So it's super cute. It's got LED lights in it that change, and this is great for just diffusing your oils in. They also have this great wooden box to organize all of your oils. And I've been receiving their monthly subscription box for 4 months now, and look how many oils that I've already accumulated. So some of these are ones that they've sent, and some of these are blends which are from the recipe. So I've loved having this. I've loved having my oils all neatly organized and labeled, and these are just some of the options that you can find in their online store. And if you subscribe, you will get that $40 gift card to use on whatever you choose. Also another offer, which is using the same coupon code, TheDailyDIYer free, you can get a $10 gift card to use towards any of their oils in their online store. So you basically get a free oil. I'll have all of the details about these offers in the description box below. So thank you, Simply Earth, again for providing this monthly subscription box to me. Like I said, it's absolutely my favorite. I enjoy receiving this every month and creating these recipes. I hope that this video inspired you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. I do DIY videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Make sure to check out that description box with more videos on essential oil recipes that I've made in the past. And I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.